In a shocking turn of events, Mecca, Saudi Arabia has been hit by a powerful flood, leaving streets submerged and hundreds of vehicles swept away in its wake. The city is currently grappling with overwhelming force of water as residents and authorities work tirelessly to manage the crisis. Emergency services are engaged in heroic rescue operations, working around the clock to ensure the safety of those affected. Unfortunately, the situation remains dire as the floodwaters continue to surge through the city, leaving many residents and visitors stranded. In response to the heavy rains, the General Administration of Education in various regions of Saudi Arabia has taken swift action, announcing the suspension of classes in multiple cities. This includes Mecca, Madinah, AlUla, Jeddah, Asir, Jazan, and Tabuk. This suspension applies to both male and female students across different educational levels, as well as school employees and education officers. Authorities are urging residents to exercise extreme caution and follow safety instructions provided by emergency services.
ولك الحمد والشكر. السيول. ابراهيم شوف السيارات كيف رايح. مطبه. الله المستعان.
That's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe for more short and disaster weather news.
The city